Hi friends, this is the second part of the percentage video. If you are not to watch in the first part, better to go and watch that video and come back here. I already explained the part what is fraction, what is percentage, and what are the shortcuts involved in the any of the problem, what kind of problem. I already discussed that. Please go and watch that video and come back here. Please work it out all the problems what I explained. And main thing is please do the unitary method problems what I uploaded in the tag section, and please in the video of section high section is present. Please click on this video uploaded there, plus see the Unitarian method as well as the percentage problem, then come back to the second part. Okay, let I explain. So I will brush up some of those things what I explained. We already please see the please mug up data up to the 1 to 20. The 1 is nothing but 100%, and 1 by 2 is nothing but a 50%. Already explained in the first part. Just and brush it up. And 1 by 8 is the nothing but a 12.5%. If 2 by 8 means if 12 into 2 into 12.5, that is 25%. If 3 by 8, that means what is meant by 3 by 8, 36, 12, 3, the 36, 37.5%. Like that, whatever the number is coming, we need to add those number, and please highlight those things. Whatever the denominator of the number, if this is the number, if the denominators of values are increasing, the percentage goes on decreasing. Why? Because 1 by 5, 20%, 1 by 6, the values are increasing in the denominator, but percentages are decreasing. This is the main thing we need to highlight. Already I told in the first video as well. See, as well one more thing, if any percentage is rising, there should be a decrease in 1 more percent. That means already told, if any 1 by 4 is the 45%, if increasing the value, if because in salary is 25% is deducted for the tax, what I am getting, it is less by hand, I am getting the less salary only. Why? Because 1 by 5. Why? Because 4 plus 1 is 5. That means 1 by 5 is 20%. Isn't it? The values are decreasing. Why? I'm already told the values 1 by 5 is decreasing compared to 4. Isn't it? In denominator, what I mean to say. Like that, we need to remember, if value is decreasing means there should be value is n minus 1. That means the values are increasing. Let's see, 1 by 4 is a 4 is the number, compared to this 3 is increasing. The values are increasing. Like that, we need to remember, if any of the problems is coming like the increase or decrease, directly we can put it out the value with this formula n plus 1 n minus 1 formula. Okay, let's come on to the session as well as the what I did discuss. This is the formula I discussed already in the first two. What is cost price selling price? And mainly I like to highlight what is initial value is a difference in percentage. Initial price is a difference in percentage divided by 100. That means if any percentage is difference in percent divided by 100 is equal to final price, or else CP is equal to 100 plus or minus x divided by 100 is equal to SP, or else CP is equal to 100 plus or minus x is equal to SP into 100. Just and move it out here. If the values are increased plus 20%, 30%, just go on increasing with 100 multiplication, 100 into 100. I will tell, already I uploaded a video. Please see the video, you will understand what I mean to say. Okay, let's come back to the session problems. I will explain. See, this is the okay. This is the problem already. 25 problems up to 25 problem already. I told you in 25 question. The price, if the price of the item increased by 25%, then by what percent should be reduced by? See, already price is already I told. For me, the price is increased, they should be reduced in by original value. What should be? If all for I will tell the shortcuts. 25% is 1 by 4. That should be reduced means if values are increased, they should be reduced 5. That is 4 plus 1, 5. N plus 1 already I told. That means 20%. 1 by 5 means 20%. Here options are not at all given. This is not at all option. Answer is correct is 20%. If I'm applying the formula, so we'll getting the same answer. I will show here. Please see. For example, see the figures. 25%. That means 125 directed and 100 plus. Okay, I will write 100 plus 25 increasing. Then we know how much percentage decrease we don't know. That is minus x is equal to 100 into 100. Therefore 125 into 100 minus x is equal to 10,000. Therefore what is the 5 the 25 5 the 125, 25 4 the 100, that means we should call it as 400. Therefore 100 minus x is equal to, we telling 5 8 of 40, directly I have written 80 here. Therefore x is equal to 20%. That means whatever the x is come over here plus positive here minus, therefore 100 minus 80 is 20%. Isn't the right answer? From both the method, which one is preferable? Better to choose that method. It will be very easy for you. Just I'm explaining how to do with both the methods here. Okay, next I will take the example for the second thing, 27. Okay, I will show the both the method, which one is preferable, better to choose a method. Already, if the salary is 5% 5 less than B salary, if A salary is 5% 5% 5 salary, so for shortcut I will note out 5.55 is a 1 by 18%, isn't it? If salaries are decreasing, this should be what is the more salary, that means n minus 1 already, 18 minus 1, that means 1 by 70, 1 by 70 is 5.88% is the answer. Okay, for same method how to do, I will directly return as 900 minus 9.5, therefore that is 94 point, sorry, yes, 94.45%, isn't it? Then we don't know how much increasing, 100 plus b, we need to calculate increase only, therefore is equal to 100 into 100, therefore 100 plus b is equal to 94.45. If I calculate that one, we will get the answer for 105.87. Therefore for a 5.87 is increasing, therefore 5.88 is the answer. But compared to 100%, 5.87 is the increase, 5.80 approximately the 5.88 is increasing. Okay, or else we can do from this method as well. See already, B, if we think B is equal to 100% and A is less than that term 94.545, is if any then is coming, we need to divide by, we need to take that number 94.45, 100 minus 94.45 into 100. If you're solving this one, we will get the definite answer for 8.7%. This is also possible. We can do like this method. Okay, which one is preferred? Better to choose those method. Just to explain what are the method we can solve. Because many of the other than the method also many of the methods are present. Because once you're hard work for every problem, definitely you know many of the shots will come in your head only. Just what I know, just I'm highlighting all the shortcuts here. Okay, for the next problem, if 25% of the number is added to with itself. Okay, I will show the first basic one. If 25% number is added with itself, okay, I don't know the number, that is x, so I will consider, then 25% of that number, 25%, 25 by 1 by 5, the we could call 1 by 4 directly I will return. Okay, fine. uh, okay, I will write 25 by 100 only. Then what is should be coming as 51750, then I could return as 1 is already told, 25 to the 1 by 4, therefore 5x, I will take as a 5x divided by 4 is equal to 750, isn't it? Then I will 4 on the 4 150 the 750, the 4 on the 4 3 carry or 2 carry. Okay, so 36 okay. Okay, sorry, I thought in my mind as 5 on the 5 150 the, because 5 on the 5 2 carry 525, okay. 150, then x is equal to 15 into 4, 600 is the number for that original number. This is the one method. One more method is present, we will do. Okay, what is the number 100, we, that is okay, fine, 100% is the number. If we are adding 25% of that number, that should be coming as 750, isn't it? Therefore for 125% is coming as 750, isn't it? Then what should be the original? Original is 100%. We need to think 100% is 750. It should be already told in unit. Please see the number Please see the video for that one. For numerator, we should less value we need to. That's why we numerator and bring it as less value 150, therefore 10, the 5, 2, the 5, 3, the, understand, 3, 1, the, 3, 1, 5, 0, 5. Sorry, what is the thing? Here 125 under 100. 750, that is 150 I wrote as. Okay. 100 divided by 25, 125. Okay. 5 the 4 the 25 5 the 25 4 the then 5 1 the 5 150 the 15 4 the 60. The first 600 is the answer. This is the second method. Already answer. The one more method is the initial value final value. What is the initial value? 25% we should return as already to 1 by 4. What is the original value? 4. And what is the increment value? Number should be added initial value final value, then 4 if it is 1 is added 5. It should become, what is it should become 5 unit is equal to 750. Then what is the unit? This is the original value 4 unit is equal to 750 into, sorry, 5 4 by 5, 5 on the 5 15 the 25 the 75, 15 for the 600 is the answer. See, already I told many of the method is present. Whatever the method you can choose in your one. That is a very important thing, because I am showing what I know methods are showing. Please work it out all the methods, because the basic is a very important. First I shown the basic thing, then only I do the shortcuts. Why I'm doing the shortcuts, you understand. Might be why I'm taking 5 unit as 4750, because final value is 750 becomes C scaling. Then original value, what is the initial value? Original of 4. Then what about the 4 unit? They should be called it as. That's why I'm taken like that, because the problem depending upon the solution, the answer should be the same. What are the problems, whatever the method is given, the answer should become the same, because the method chosen is different from one person to another person. I'm showing all the methods here. Okay, say now next problem 28. Okay. Okay. um, if 37.5% of a number is subtracted from number itself, then result become 950. What is the original number? Already told, we already know 12.5% is equal to 1 by 8. Then 37.5 is nothing but 3 by 8. That means 12 3 the 36 and 0.5 is 37.5. Understand? Subtract means we should be, my initial value is coming as 8 and final value become 5. 5 8 minus 5 is 3. Here it should become 5 unit is become 950. Isn't it? Become 950. Then what is the original value? This was 5 unit is equal to 950 means 8 unit, right? Problem is 8 unit. 950 in numerator we need to multiply higher value, 8 by 5, 5 on the 5 9 the 19 5 the 19 19 8 the 152, 152. That means 1520 is the answer. This is the one method. I will show one method as well. I discussed before previous problem. Okay. Already I told 100. What is the 100 number? That is minus 37 point number is subtracted from this number. This percentage. What should be this number? 62.5% is coming. Therefore, for getting the 951. If 100%, this is 62.5. If 100% is coming, what should be the number? 950 into 100 is equal to 62.5. Understand? Could I return 1000 and 62.5 decimal I converted into multi divided and multiplied? then it's 25, 16 into 25, 5 to 25, and 38 and 40. Therefore, answer should be coming as same only 1520. Don't consider why I'm doing fast, because this is 625 5 the 25, 625 for 25 for the 100, that means I'm taken as 40, then 25 38 the 950, then I multiply those number, we are getting 1520. That's it, don't confuse 38 into 40, we are getting 1520 is the answer. Understand? Okay, next problem. Okay, is 16 2 by 3 is a number added. Okay, 1 by 6, that means initial value is 6 and final value becomes 7, added to number, then itself result become 560. Okay, 560 is coming. How much? 5 8 50, then 80 number is adding, then initial number, what is the initial number is counting as 6 8 48. Therefore initial is 48. Then what is the question? If 12.5% subtracted from number, oh okay, 12.5 means 1 by 8, that is 1 by 8 means minus 1, that is initial value 8, final value 7, the initial value become 480. Here 8 6 the 48, that means 60. Then what is the final value is asking? What will be the answer? Question mark is asking what is the 60 into 60, 7 6 the 42, 420 is the answer for this question. Okay, next problem. I understand, say just simply 16 2 by 3 is nothing but a 1 by 6. So adding that number, we need to add 6 is to 7 is coming. The 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 480. They given the, it becomes 7 value is coming 560 into 7 8 the 56. That means 80 number. Anyway, because same I am doing 7 into is equal to 560. Then what is the 6 unit? Then 6 unit, like that I am doing what I did before. Just I am calculating directly only. And please solve this problem from your end as well. Please forget to like this problem. Okay, next problem. If 90 is added in a number, okay, this is also multiple method. I don't know the number x, and if 90 is added to a number, it will be converting as 130 number of itself. Okay, 130 divided by 10 100 into x. 10 cancel. X plus 90 is equal to 1, sorry, point, okay, 1.3, sorry, 1.3, 1.3 x. Therefore, 0.3 x is equal to 90. The answer should be coming as 300, because 3 3 the 9, 300 is on. This is the one method. Okay, the initial method, final method is already shown. Okay, what is the 130%? 130% is 130 by 100. What is the initial value? 10, and the final value 13. What is difference between this unit becomes, adding those numbers, 3 unit is equal to 90. Then what is the initial value? 10 unit. What is the initial unit? 10 unit is equal to 90 into 10 by 3. 3 3 the 9, 30. 300 is the answer for this question. Like that, one more, I will show you one more method. Probability 100% is the right. For 100%, I am adding the numbers 90. Then it will become 130%, isn't it? Then if I am substituting there, 30% is equal to 90. Then what is the original percent? 100% we need. 100% is equal to 90 into 100 divided by 30. Because numerator I want the highest value, that's why I am taking the numerator 100. Therefore 13 3 the, therefore 300 is the answer for this question. Okay, the thing is, many of the method is present. We need to do which one is preferable to you, which method is, because in exam many of the method is not at all coming. Base method is coming. because many of the, if you are working hard for those method, definitely that method will come in your in exam. Okay, definitely it will be very easy. Please practice well for these kind of problems. Okay, next problem I'm showing here. If 90 is subtracted from a number, okay, then it becomes 62.5. Okay, fine. Already it was 62 point, already many other things. We should call it as 3 by 8. Initial value is 8 and final value become, subtract means 5. 8 minus 3 is 5, initial or final value. What is the difference between these? It becomes subtract like that. 3 unit. Now, what is the difference between these two? 3 unit. 3 unit is, what is 3 unit difference? Is 90, isn't it? Therefore, what is the initial value? 8 unit. Initial value 8 unit is 90 into 8 divided by 3, because by need the higher value it should be coming as a, that's why coming 8 3 the, therefore 240 is coming. What is the problem now? If 16 2 by 3 is added, okay, 16 2 by 3 is 1 by 3, that means added means converting as 6 is to 7 is coming. Okay, then 16 number is added in the same number, then find the number. Okay, same number is added means we should take it as same number only. 240 is the same number for the, okay, what, 6 for the 24, isn't it? Then what is this number? Then already 40 is, we know 6 8 for the 6 7 for the 28, it is 280. 6 for the 24, the answer is coming, 280 is the answer for this question. Okay, next example. The wages of women is 37.37, already I told what should be, 3 by 8 is coming, less than. The wages of the woman is 37.5, less than the man of the wages of men. Okay, the men wage is a higher here, therefore 8 by 5. Why 5? 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, see, then the wages of 7 days, whatever the, if this person into days, we could get the salary. The wages means salary, we need to multiply to 7. What is the main, they given the work of the person, 7 days, 8 7 the 50 c. Then one, what we need to find out, how much more or less percent the wages of the 10 days of the woman. Okay, they given the date of the woman as well. Okay, 10 days, that means we need to multiply 50. Understand? How much more percentage than the, okay, woman is less compared to man, therefore what is the percentage of -1? -1 divided by woman, that we need to calculate with respect to the woman, therefore we need to take divided by 50 into 100. Understand? Therefore, okay, 7 8 50, this is not 51 56 6 by 50, therefore 15 on the 15 to the, therefore minus 12 is the answer. Sorry, this is a plus 6 rising, the salary is increasing from here, plus 6, therefore answer is plus 12% is the answer compared to the woman's salary. The man's salary is 6% more than the woman's salary. Wages means that is the salary. Okay, next problem. If the length of the rectangle is increased by, this is also, okay, if the length of the rectangle is increased by 20%, then how much percent breadth will be changed? So the, okay, I already told friend, what is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Therefore, A is equal to length into breadth. Okay, here what's given? Length is increased from 20%, the breadth will be changed so that the area of the rectangle. Okay, easier. See, this is the main point we need to remember, area of the triangle. In the first part of the video in percent, I already highlight this thing. See, what are the problems coming? For example, 100 is the value. It should be remains constant. Okay, if see 50 into 2 also coming. Just I am taking the example. 15 to 2, the here it is rising, it is low. Breadth is decreasing. See, the value should be other than the possibilities. 10 into, sorry, one more it should be not same. So one is increasing, one is decreasing. Okay, let's take this is the 5, this is the 20. Here for this is increasing, is it if anyone is the, if any problem is coming like the same area, one value should be increased, one value should be decreased in our mind. If it is not at all given, then I will tell what is the, sorry, okay, I will tell the logic here. See, the given initial one, we already know what is the 20% of that value, 1 by 5, isn't it? Increase they is said, therefore length is increased, that means L is equal to 5 to 6. Already told the breadth was there, they were not at all given the value, but areas remains constant. That should be less compared to this one. Therefore take the reverse of the values of this 6 and 5. Understand? Then what he told actually, how much percentage will breadth is will be changed. See, before it was 6, now it is changed to 5. That means minus 1 divided by 6. Initial value is 6, therefore into 6. Therefore answer is 16%. 6, 1 by 6 we already know about that one from the table. 16.66 is the answer. Minus, that is decreasing. Okay, next question. If the price of the sugar is decreased by 20%. Okay, we already know the formula for this method. Expenditure is equal to price into consumption. Consumption. Understand? See, the sugar is decreased by 20%. The price initial 20% means 1 by 5. Already we already know 5. That means initial value I will written here. Final value for understanding purpose. What is the price is decreased 5. Here it is 4. Decrease means 5 minus 1. Decrease means minus 1. 4. Then what is the question? Okay, if the values are, if the price is decreasing, he can buy 5 kg more sugar. Understand what is the expenditure remains same. Okay, already I told if the expenditure remains same means there should be reverse of the consumption. Consumption what we take, it is reverse of this value. Whatever the values come, just reverse of those number. Understand? Okay, that means increasing. 1 unit is increasing. If for 1 unit 5 kg. Understand? They given the for 1 unit is 5 kg. Then what is the initial value? 4 unit. Therefore 5 for the 20 kg. Okay. What about after decreasing before, what is the happen finally? 5 for the 25 kg they were taking. Understand? Before initial value they were taking, before increase of the, before decreasing of the price they were taking the 20 kg. After decreasing they are taking 25 kg. Understand what is the logic meant by this one? Like this problem we need to understand the logic. Might we got the, after decreasing the price he is buying with that initial 20 kg. After once he increasing the price he is taking 25 kg. Okay, here it is asking the question as initial consumption, that's why 20 kg. If it is a final consumption we need to think it as 25 kg is the answer. Okay, question may be twisted from one end to another. Better to see the understand the problem and why we are applying the logic. Please understand. Okay, next problem. Okay, if the price of the entry ticket of the theater is 15. Okay, then number of visitors decreased by 50, but revenue okay. In a theater, the cost is reduced by 50 after reducing the price of, okay. Sorry, this is increased. The question is missing. After increase the price of 15. 50 people, 50% of the people is reduced, and we need to calculate what is the but the revenue of the remains same. Here also same kind of revenue is same. That means revenue is equal to income is equal to price, the price of the theater to watch the film into number of person visited. Understand? Okay, the initial visitor, find the initial visit. Okay, how many numbers of visitor before decreasing the value? Before the initial price they given us 120. Okay, initial price, what is the initial price of 120. After increase the price 15, that means 135. Understand, this is the price. That means 5 8 the 15 8 the 15 9 the. Then consumption should be opposite of that one. That means number of, that is not a consumption. Person. This is the person, friend. Person. How many person? There should be reciprocal all related, because revenue is the constant thing. Okay. See how much decreasing? For one unit decreasing, 50% people are decreasing. Then before, what was the initial? How many people are coming? For 9 unit? For 9 unit, 9 5 the 45. That means 9 5 the 45. That is 450 people before coming to the theater. After, increasing the ticket. Once they are increasing, the people are reduced. Why? Because for 8 8 for the for 400. Because here it is, question is coming as initial price. Initial price, how many persons are visit? If it is final price, how many persons visit? That is 400 people. Okay, therefore now it is number of visitor in initial visitor, they are asking 450. After final visit, they are asking increase in the price, that is 400 only. Okay, this is 8 5 the 40. That is the 400. Okay, now the problem is, if the price of the petrol is increased by 25%, then the petrol can buy 4 liters less. Okay, if the price of the, if it is price is increasing, the person can buy a less petrol. Why? Because price is increasing, and he has, if he is spending the amount as rupees 80, what is the original rate of the petrol? Before, what is the original rate of the petrol? What is the question? The question is, okay, as well as the original, as well as rate of the petrol. Let's see, friends. Okay, 25% is 1 by 4. Understand? Therefore, increasing. That means initial price are increasing. Is same formula. Expenditure is equal to price into consumption. Initial value, final value. Here, price is increasing means 1 by 4. 5 means is increasing means plus 1. That is 5. Then consumption should be opposite of that one. 5 by 4. Therefore, 1 unit is equal to, after decrease, 1 unit is equal to, difference is 4 liter. Then what is the initial consumption? 5 is equal to 5 unit, therefore 20 liter. Therefore, 20 liter is the before, 20 liter is the original price. Now, after decreasing, what should be answer? 5 for the 20. That means 4 for the 16 answer. For that, I'm telling, if it is not at all, then initial value, final value, that is 16 answer. Now it is 16 liter, not only 16 liter, it is initial value is the 20 liter. What is the original value is asking? Because the price is equal to, from converting the price is equal to expenditure by consumption. Because they already, they given the question is spending, how much spend? 80, and what is the consumption of the liter? 20 liter. This is the rupees, this is the liter. Therefore, 20 by 80 by 20 is 4 rupees per liter. Understand? The answer is 20 liter. Before in decreasing the, before increase the price, what is the price? 4 rupees per liter. 1 liter is equal to 4 rupees, as well as 20 liter. You can bought for 80 rupees. Okay, now, um, okay, for a 38 question, this is a ratio problem. In a class, the boys and girls are in the ratio 700 and 500. 80% boys are passed in an examination of 90%. Okay, boys and girls 7 is to 5. Could I write on as 700 and 500 boys and 500 girls? Therefore, total how many students are there? Now it is 1200. Now, the boys percentage is 85%. Understand? And the girls percentage, they are also given 93% girls are passed. The question, how much percent student passed in an exam? Okay, um, how much totally, how much percent is passed? Because they given the individual percent, the overall percentage, we need to find out with respect to that one. Okay, 700. I will show, this is the basic method. I will show the, therefore 500 into 93 divided by 100. Okay, if you're solving that one, 100 cancels 785 7 the 595, as well as the 93 into 5, how much is 465 we are getting. For adding those number, we are getting 1060. The overall number, sorry, 1060, and overall percentage overall. Okay, total percentage boys and girls is 1060, and total students is 1200 into 100. If you are solving that one, 12 divided by this one, 12. Okay, 12. Okay, for solving that one, 12 later 86 1 3 again same as 888. 1 by 3 should become 88 1 by 3. That means 88.33 is the answer. This is the long method. How can we do the shortcut method? Just observe carefully, friends. I will tell here on the already we got the answer. See, if this kind of problem is coming with that average, how many times? Um, See, what is the minimum percentage here? After writing this, what is the minimum compared to this one? 93 and 95, 85, 85. Take the difference from this number. What is the difference of 85 and 93? Difference is 8. Then take as a 85% of this one and positive adding those number. 8 5 the 40 and 7 plus 5 is 12. That adding. If you are therefore 3 the 10. In the 10 by 3 is 3.33, 85 plus 3.33, 88.33. That means what I mean to say, already you understand the base method. How can we, if any problem is given like that, just see 75, because 85% is a less one. Just compare, take the difference between the number of the percent. 8 is the difference. What is the 8? We are 8 5 the 40. Okay, by adding those numbers for this ratio, so 7 plus 5 12. 7 plus 5 12. The 40 divided by 12 is 3.33 is coming, plus 85% is the minimum we are taking from the segregated. Adding the minimum segregated number with the what we are obtaining, just we are getting the answer as 88.33 is the answer for this question. Okay, next question, same kind of question I will take. 39. The price and okay. These are the same question. This is average problem, and now I am discussing why I am discussing here is because it will be very helpful for average while I am doing the problem. Okay, the ratio, the price of the ratio of wheat, rice, and vegetable is 7 is to 5 is to 8. If the price of are increased by 7 to okay, a given ratio for about wheat, rice, as well as vegetable. What is the ratio? 7, 5, 8. What is the percentage? 7.5%, 11.5%, and one more is 12.5%. What is the minimum percentage? Take the difference from the 7.5 to 11.5. This is the 4 difference. And what is the difference from here? This is the 5 difference. Understand? Just take it as 7.5 as and plus. Already I took 5 for the 20. This is the one 5 for the 20. 8 5 the 40, as well as 7 plus 5 is 12 and is 20. Therefore 20 by 60 is 7.5 plus 60 divided by 20, that is 3. 7 plus 3 is 10.5 is the answer for this problem. Like the minute, if any problem is segregated, how much percentage increasing like that, many of the questions is coming. Take the minimum segregate, take the minimum percentage, just take the minimum percentage average differences and multiply this value. Like this problem, we need to calculate the increase the total expenditure or whatever the problem asking like that. Okay, next question. In an examination, total questions is 150. Okay, total questions is 150. Among that, in first section, out of 75 questions, okay, so 75 question, first section, 75 questions are present, and second section also remaining should be 750 minus 75, that is 75 only. Okay, they got in first section as 64%, 64% in function. He has to score how much percent he has to score in second section. Okay, second section, we need to find out the second section, and they given the overall percentage, overall 70%. See, uh, 15 whatever the percent is coming, 15 7 the 105, that means 50 of 1 70% is 105 for this value. Then How can we find out? Because anyway 105 marks is coming. Then 64% of 75. Understand? What is the thing? Okay, 25 3 the 25 4 the 4 1 the 4 16 the 16 3 the 48. Initially it was 68 marks. Okay, here it is 108. If you're reducing 108 minus 48, this is second section value. What is the value? 57, isn't it? Therefore, how much among these 75 question, 57 is only 57% is present. Therefore, the total percentage is 75 mass. What is the percentage of this one? 3 the 4 the 3 1 the 3 19 the 15 3 the 57 19 4 the 76 is the answer, isn't it? Like that, when this is the long procedure, best we need to very difficult by doing the problem. Just I am showing how to do the shortcut method. I will show here. Here, see friends, we already got the answer. Just I am showing for the shortcut for this problem. See, what is the difference between first section and overall value? See, I will do this as well. 70%. See, what is the difference between overall and first section percentage? This is 6%. Overall and first percent into 1. Because why? Because ratio is same. If ratio is same, we need to take the ratio value 66 into 1. We need to take. Then overall percent 70% plus 6 into 1 divided by 1. Why? What is the value of 1? Here this is the value. We need to multiply with the value. We need to find out with the value of 7. That's why I am dividing this one. For total plus 70 plus 6, 1 divided by 1 is 1 only. 70 plus 6 is 76. Like that, we need to do the shortcuts. If the value is certain, if the problem, if any problem is coming, better to apply this shortcut method. Why we are applying the shortcut? Because we already know the how to base method. That's why I'm taking the difference, because we need to take with the overall value. That's why I'm not initially difference between the first value. What is the difference between first value average? What is shown in the average before previous problem? Okay, I will take same problem as it is the same kind of problem. Okay, the question is, in an examination 220 total marks is 224. Fine. Then first section marks is 112. Remaining should be 112 only, definitely. Then ratio is become 1:1. This is the same kind of problem again I'm discussing here. Then first section got 69%. We need to calculate whether they given okay, overall section they given 75%. Okay, 75%. We need to calculate this one. What is the difference between overall and this one? What is the difference? 6 is the difference. And multiply into 1. 6 1 the 6. Then what is the overall for 75 plus 6 divided by 1. 6 and 6 only. This is the value of this one. 75 plus 6 is equal to 81. 81 is the answer. Because I am showing how to do in our mind only we can calculate well, and this is the difference 6 into 1, and after the 75 plus 6 is 81. Isn't it? Isn't it easy way? Of course it is an easy way only, but I am showing how to do here. Okay, here see, those are the constant one, first and the second section. In an exam, that 200 questions are present. Among these questions, 120 is in the first, you got first section, and you got remaining should be 80 only. Then ratio would become 2:3, isn't it? Then in first section, 65%, then overall percentage 70%, isn't it? When already to what is the difference between this one? 5 into 3, that means difference is 5 into plus 3, 15. The first 70 plus 15 divided by 2. That means 70 plus 15 by 2 is 7.5. So our answer is 77.5. He goes second section. If we adding those numbers, definitely the average should be 70% only, friends. Just cross verify from your end. Understand? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, population probe already discussed in first part as well. Okay, I will find. I discuss here as well with the shortcuts. Okay, the population city is 6,000 initially. Okay, if the number of the male is increased by 10%. Okay, I don't know the number of they were not like given. Then X is the male. Male, this is female. Then this female should be uh, remaining of those 6,000 minus X. Then the male is increased from 10%. I will show 10%, and the female is increased by 15%. Okay, if they are increasing, both they are increasing, the population is increased from 6,000 to 6,720. What is the changes is present? 720, isn't it? Okay, the final is amount is 720 with respect to changes. Okay, I will do 10 divided by 100 into x initial value. This is equal to final value. We need to segregate. Initial value 6,000 minus s. Already if we know the logic for initial is equal to final, definitely we would solve the problem. 50 divided by 100 is equal to what is the final? 720, isn't it? If I solve in that one, LCM 100, therefore 10x plus 15 6 the 90, so 90, therefore 90,000 minus 15x is equal to 720. Therefore the answer should become minus 5x minus plus 90,000 is equal to 70,000, 72,000, isn't it? 5x is equal to, just I'm writing here because no space is available, that's why 70 because 18,000, 18,000. Therefore x value 5 3 the 15 3 carry 5 6 the 3,600. For what is the male value is 3,600. Then what is the female value? 6,000 minus 3,600, that should be 2,400. That is the female. This is the long procedure when you write. If you know the base, this is the basic. See, let's find. I will tell the shortcuts helpful for this commerce. So, okay, fine. 6,000 is present. Okay, for the minimum male and female, the final rate should be 6,720, isn't it? What a difference between this, increasing the difference 720. Okay, just I am making a short on 10%. 15% I would maintain as 10% and 5%. Okay, for that is this minimum value for the 10% for both the value. For 10% of 6,600. Understand? Then subtract from the number what we are getting the population. 720 difference between overall population, final population, initial population with respect to 10% of initial population. What is in the 120 is coming. For 5%, for female for 5% is 120. Then for 100% of female, what is the we need the 100% of the female population. Therefore 120 into 100 numerator. Why? Because we need the highest value. That's why 5 on the 520 the 12 to the 2,400 is the female. We got the female number here. Therefore remaining 6,000 minus 2,400, male value is coming 3,600. Isn't it easy even compared to this one? Anyway, we are taking the difference between final value and the initial population 720 because the minimum 10% from the both them for the 60 for initial population 600. What is the difference of that number? What you have taken 120, so remaining number 5% is 120 is coming. Then 100% of that number, that is the female. Then find out the remaining number with respect to that initial population, that is 3600. Okay, the next, that is the same kind of problem. The population is 5000 here. Okay, see, this was the same kind of problem. I would solve it from the same method. I will not at all take the long method. 5000, then it is final population 5600, um, male and female. This is the same percentage. I would return as 10 plus 5%. Okay, for 10% of 5 to initial population, that is 500. The difference between final and initial difference is 600, 500. Therefore, the 5% of women is equal to 100. Therefore, 100% of the women is equal to 100 divided by 100 by 5. Sorry, 520. Therefore, 2000 is the female, because 5% is 2000. The remaining should be 5000 minus 2000, that is 3000. Answer should be 3000, 2000. See, here also from option we can predict. See, the total population is 5000. Then if we are adding that number, that is not at all coming 6000, 7000. It is not at all an option. 7 here, it is not at all 2000, 2000. That is 5. That should be possible from these two options. Definitely the one could be the answer. Just solve it, and if you got one answer, definitely don't no need of doing second answer. Just click it down. Anyway, you got the first answer is correct. Like that we need to do for any of the competitive exam, or else option method is the best practice if you know the methods. That means the practice is a very important thing for these kind of problems. Okay, 45. Okay, there are two types of animals in zoo, that is cat and rabbit. Fine. Each rabbit eat 9 bread. Okay. And each cat, fine. Each rabbit. The rabbit having eat 9, as well as cat having. I will segregate as 9 plus 2. Fine. Okay. The bread is 580. Is the total consumption of bread. Okay. It is different kind of problem. Just we need to uh, what is the basic agenda, why we just see they were dividing here, we need to multiply. Why? Because uh, bread is 580, total number is 60. Anyway, they given the person of the price. If a person we can take, see the total they have, initially they have 580 bread. Anyway, if 60 animals are present among this rabbit, how much is 60 into a 9? What is 60 into 9? 9 6 the 54, 540. The remaining should be 40. Among the 40, how much they will eat? The cat 2. That means 20 breasts cat will eat. If a question is asked for the rabbit, just 40 by, sorry, 60 minus 20, that is 40. Answer for rabbit. Understand? Because the total bread is 580. Anyway, total bread is they given. Among the 960 animals are present. Among the 60 animals, uh, yeah, rabbit is having 9 breads already. Anyway, 9 into 65, 40 breads a rabbit having. The difference between 40 among the two divided by 2 is 20. Like that, we need to think the problem. If any cat is given, the cat is 20 and rabbit had 40 breads. Understand? Yes, sorry, this is the 40. Why? Because total number is having more, therefore it would be reverse of that one. 40 cats, 40 rabbits. That means what is the answer for this one? Sorry, 20 cats only answer. 20 is the correct one. Okay, next question. The length of the rectangle increased by 12.5%. Okay, fine. It is the same kind of the problem. Okay. The area of the rectangle we already know length into breadth, isn't it? Okay. Length is increased. That means we already know area of the is length into breadth, initial and length of final. The length is 8. 12.5 is nothing but 1 by 8. Increase means initially 8, that was finally it could be as 9 1. The length as well as decrease by 20% by that means 1 by 5, 20%, that means decrease 5 by 4. Understand? Okay. I see before that we are doing the same area because here we need to change the area how much change because B just 4 on the 4 to the therefore 5 to the 10 and 9 on the 9 how much changing from here from the initial position minus 1 unit is changed because loss because area is changing from the best is decreased that's why is coming as minus 1 divided by 10 into 100 that is minus 10% is the answer for this question. Okay, next problem. If the price of the petrol is increased by 20%, okay, we already know the formula for that one. Expenditure is equal to price into consumption. Okay, price is increased from 20% means that is in our mind 1 by 5 that is increase means 6 by 5, 5 by 6 so initial 5 then say this is the price then the expenditure increase from 10. Okay, the fine here the overall expenditure only given expenditure. What is expenditure? 10 is expenditure increase 10% is that means 1 by 10, isn't it? That will increase 10 means 1 by 11. Here how much change in the consumption we don't know. So consumption is equal we should call it a x and y value. If this kind of problem just cross multiply and add y we are cross multiplying this 5x and 6y is equal to 10 by 11. That's why I'm cross multiplying. That's it for your better convenience. Just I'm written like that. X by y is equal directly I'm written. Just directly written. Directly written. X6 to y because change is given. That's why 10 6 to 60 x value and 55. What is the changes from here to here? 5 and what is the initial value? 60. 60 into 100 that means 1 by 12 8.33 5 12 the 1 by 12 means 8.33 the answer for this question. Okay, for next problem. Okay, the person spent 25% of his income. Okay, I will take directly initial final 1 by 4 that means minus initial or written final spend of his income on house. How much? 1 by 4 means 4 by 3 fine as well as 20% remaining of his food. Okay, 20% means 1 by 5 that means minus 5 by 4 is coming now. Okay, remaining on travel 15%. 15% means 15 divided by 100 that means 15 3 5 3 the 520 the that means decreasing therefore 20 by 7 therefore 4 4 cancel here. What is the remaining? 5 to the 100 25 the 100 that means here is 15 3 the 17 3 the 51 and he says what is the saving amount 51 unit is 3060 therefore totaling what is the income for here 51 unit is equal to 3060 isn't it? What is the 100 unit? That should be higher on the right. 100 divided by 51 51 6 the 306 is coming, right? Therefore 51 60 the, therefore 60 into 51 6 the, therefore answer is 66,000 is the answer for this question. 51 6 the 60. Okay, fine. Next question is, okay, in an election, two candidates have competed. 20% votes are invalid. Okay, fine. I don't know how much percent. 100%. 100%. Among the 2% are competed. 20% are invalid. If 20% invalid, the remaining percent should be valid. Only 80% are valid. This is the invalid one. This is the valid one. The winner. The winner goes 60% of valid. This is the value means 60% of 80 8 6 to 40, that is 48. Among 48 remaining is 40 minus 80 minus 48, that is 32. Okay, fine. The finally how much percentage he got? 1 by 3 fourth, because difference is the one of this person. 4,001 by 4,800. Find the number of voters. How many voters are present? Question is asking. Okay, the difference between 48 and 32 is 16 units. 16 unit is equal to 4,800. Therefore 100 unit total unit is equal to 4,800 into 100 divided by 16. 16 3 the 16 3 the, therefore 30 into 100, 30,000. 30 into 100, 30,000. Answer. This is the one method. I will show the one more method. What is the problem? Just see. See. Uh, I don't know how much person, how many voters are present. That is the X1. How many valid voters are 80? 20% invalid means 80%. 18% could I write down as 80% as directly as 4 by 5. We already know 1 by 5 is 20. 20 into 4, 80%. 4 by 5. Okay. This is the valid vote. Among that, A got 60% means definitely B would got 40%. What is the difference between 40 and 60%? 20% only the this one. 20% 1 by 5. What is the amount of vote what 1 by, what is the amount of vote 1? That is when you take x is equal to x into 4 by 5. What is the 20%? 1 by 5 is equal to 4,800. Isn't the easy one? 4 1 the 4 12 the, that means 4 1 the 4 to the 8, that is 1,200. If you are multiplying that 12,000 into 25, okay, the answer will be coming as 30,000. Okay, I will take next problem. Okay, in an election, okay, I will directly apply 20%, same question. Okay, 20% was didn't participated. That means who are the participating? That be 80%. By 80% means 4 by 5 I am written. Then 12% was declared invalid. Invalid means 1 over 12 by 12.5 means 1 by 8%. Invalid means 1 minus 1 by 8 is 7 by 8. Directly I would return as 7 by 8. Understand? Then this is the valid one. Then A, what is the A candidate was 70% he got, and among that anyway B% should be 30. Among what is the difference between 2% is 40%. For 40% could I write in as 2 by 5 here. Therefore shall I write x into 4 by 5 into 7 by 8 into 2 by 5 is equal to amount of force 1 is 5,600. Okay, 5,600. 7 on the 7 8 the 56. Okay, 8 4 to the 8, 8 on the 8 is given. Therefore 25 into 80, that should be coming as 20,000. 25 8 the 200, that should be coming as 20,000 is the total number of votes present in the voter list. 20,000 is the voters present in the voter list. Okay, for the next problem. Okay, in election, two candidates have competed. Okay, in the same question, same 20% means 80%. 80% means I don't know the exact percentage. How many persons are there? We could 80% means 4 by 5. Directly I would return. Okay, then 20% declare invalid means we need to neglect a number. They have been taken as minus 200. Okay, uh, and the winner got 60% and 4 and there should be A got 60% means B got definitely 40. What is the difference between 60 and 40% is 20%, isn't it? 20% means what is the thing? 1 by 5, then 1 by 600, isn't it? Then could have written as 4x divided by 5 minus 200. I'll remove this one anyway. 200 into 1 by 5 is equal to 600. Could have written directly as 4x minus 200 equals 5 6 30 from that here. Okay, anyway, we take directly as 5 6 I will direct here only 5 6 30, therefore 3000. Okay, then 4x is equal to, could I write 30,200. Why 30,200? Here going to this one shifted to 200, therefore the coming is 3,200 into 5 divided by, that I will do it directly on 4. 4 8 8 5 the 40, therefore answer should be 40,000 is the answer for this question. Number of voters is 40,000. Okay, next problem. The fresh food contains 80% of water, okay, and 20% of okay. The fresh food, fine. I will take the fresh food. This one. What is the percent of water? 80% water. Fine. If 80% of water is there, how many pulp is present? If, for example, grape. If the grape is the example, 80% containing of water. What is the pulp of this one? 20% of pulp should be there, isn't it? Is a pulp. And the dry fruit contain 20% of water. Okay, after once it is dried for that grapes, it should be coming as 20% of water, isn't it? Then how much quantity of okay, there should be 20% mean pulp should be containing as 80% pulp. What is the question? How much dry fruit can be? Okay, quantity they were asking the white. Okay, we don't know the exact weight of the dry fruit quantity. Were they given the fresh fruit? Yeah, of course they given the 60 kg of fresh fruit. They given the weight of the 60 kg of fresh fruit. Fine. We have 60 kg and 20% of pulp and 80% pulp is there. Then just substitute 60 into 20 divided by initial value into x. We need to find out further how much dry fruit, because we need to calculate the dry fruit. That's why we are taking the dry fruit percentage 20 80 divided by 100. Anyway, 100 is cancelled. 24 the 80, therefore answer is 15. For 4x, 4x is coming, x is equal to 60 by 4, that is 15 for the 60, therefore 15 kg of dry fruit can be obtained, okay, from fresh food. How many fresh food is obtained from the fresh food? Because 50, among that 15 kg, how many kg? 15 kgs are obtained the dry fruit content. Fine. We need to understand if the fresh food is contained 60 kg and among that 15 kgs of pulps are obtained, 15 kgs are present as a dry fruit. Once it is swallowed from all the water from the grapes, it should be dry only, right? What is the percent, what is the kg of that one among the 60 kg? That is 15 kg of the dry fruit. Understand? The question is we need to understand the topic why we are going to solve it. If you understand the topic, definitely will solve any of the problems. That it doesn't matter anything the what is the question is asking. Okay, next question. Same question. The fresh food containing 80%, 80 water content is 84%. Okay, then what is the percent of pulp? It is 16%, isn't it? Then the dry fruit containing, okay, dry fruit containing 4% of water. That means 4% of water means there should be 96% of pulp only. The water is not a problem, only 4% of water once they swallow the water from the fresh fruit. Okay, what is the how much quantity is quantity of fresh fruit can be obtained from 40 kg. Okay, here the quantity of dry content is given. That is what is the content of the white? 40 kg is given. We need to calculate how much quantity of fresh fruit you obtain. Okay, fine. We don't know exactly how much amount of water content or how much kg water content is present fresh fruit content. Okay, x is equal to 16 divided by 100 is equal to, they given already 40 kg. 40 into 96 divided by 100. So 100 cancel, 19 the 96, 4 6 the 24, 240. Understand? 200% of water, 240 kgs of 240 such quantities of fresh fruit is obtained from that. Okay, among that 40 is dry fruit. Answer is 240 kg is the answer for this question. Okay, for next topic, next question. In a mixture, the salt and water concentration of is 25%. But if okay, the fine, if one container, if any container, okay, fine, in this volume we're having 25% of water. I don't know what is the exact quantity of the volume in this container. 25% of salt is present. Okay, here if 9 liters of water is added in that container, that means we should be coming as, it should be converted V plus 9. Then if it is converted, what is the concentration? 20% of salt is present. What should be the exact volume? Initial volume we need to find. Anyway, we have the data for this question. 25%. I would directly written as 1 by 4. Then is equal to V plus 9 is 20%. How can we return 20%? We could write down as a 1 by 5. After substituting this value, 5V is equal to 5V plus, okay, fine. The initial volume is 5 volume. After adding those value, what should be the 4V plus 9 for the 36. Okay, 5V minus 4V, that is the V is equal to 36 liter. The initial value is the 36 liter. If we are adding 9 liter for that initial value 36, that should be the 45 one. Then answer should be coming as a 36. If it is asking the question as a final value, there should be answer coming as a 45. Isn't the right way? Isn't the easy way? Of course, it is the right shortcut for this method. If your problem is coming like, better to think and do this problem. Okay, covering all the topics as well as the population one as well as the percentage one, how to do the problem. Just last topic is the Venn diagram, how to do the Venn diagram for the percentage problem. Let's see how can we do. Okay, fine. Here in a class, 60% of students passed in Hindi exam and 45% passed in the Sanskrit exam. For these kind of problem, please use the Venn diagram. How can we do? I will show. This is the circle. You could write how many percent are passed in Hindi exam. Hindi exam 45%, as well as the Sanskrit exam 25 per, sorry, 60% passed by Hindi exam as well as the Sanskrit 45%, both person passed by 25%. If 25 is present already, 45 minus, I will show, okay. Anyway, Sanskrit has 45, 45 minus 25 is 20. Okay, here they already we got how many percentage is that 25% already in both, we remaining is 35, 35 plus 25 is 60 as well, 25 plus 20 is 45. Then what is the fail? We already got the pass percent for adding those number. 100 minus adding those number, what is those? 35 plus 25 percent, that is 80. um, Therefore 20% is a fail student in both the subject, only the 20% failed in both the subject. Among that 100%, answer is 20%. Okay, I will take last example and wind up this session. Let's see last problem. What is the problem? In an examination, 60% of the candidates passed in English exam. Okay, English exam 70% students are passed. I don't know how many people are present, how many students are attending the exam. That mean to say, then mathematics how many percent? Okay, okay, yes, 60. Please read the question carefully. 60%, I don't know exact 60% of X as well as the 70%, that means of mathematics, and both student passing in mathematics is 70%, but 20% failed in both of the, they mentioned passed as well as the fail percent here. Please be careful while these kind of problems is coming in exam. If 2500 student is passed, here they given the password as well, both the percentage, what is the both, they given the number, they were not at all mentioning the percentage. 2500, okay, students are passed in both the English as well as mathematics. If 2000 already present in that both exam, the remaining should be, what is the, this remaining 70x minus 2500, isn't the right way? Anyway, the total should be the 100x only. For 100x, we should be included the failed one, 20x plus 60x plus 70x minus 2500. Understand? We're calculating positive as well as failed one with respect to the, we need to calculate how many candidates appeared in the exam. That's why with respect, I don't know how many percent, but 100x, that's why I'm taking. Here after calculating this one, um, 60, 20, 150. 150 minus 100 is directly written 50x. 50x is equal to 2500. X is equal to 50. Therefore, the x is equal to 50, then what is the percent total per 100 into 50? That means 5000. 5000 students are appearing in the exam. Among that 2005 and 5000 students are passed in both the subjects, and remaining should be 20x of fails. That means whatever the fails, if the questions are asking the failed one, 20 into 100, that is 1000 students are failed. Under 20, anyway, X is we got 51. The failed students are 1001 and passed students are passed both subject 2500. Like this, they were asking the question in one question. See, if you are liking this, please hit the like button as well as subscribe button. If you have any doubts in your thought, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching this. And please see the shortcuts what I am uploading as well as in SCF as well as in percentage button. Please see all the problems and solve all the problems. Work it all the problems. If any problems, if any ambiguity feelings in your mind while doing the problem, please share in comments as well in Telegram group. So I will reply back for your questions. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.